Woohoo! Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetalDryerVent.com. Check out my Periscope. It's great. That sun is crazy. Hold on. So here, it's been since I think, 2017 maybe. No, I don't know. It was much more recent than that. But two-story house built on a slab. Taking her multiple cycles now to dry a load of clothes. We all know that's not good. That's expensive. It's expensive. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna fix it for her. We're gonna try to stop her from buying a new dryer. They're a simple machine. They bring air in, run it over the heating element, through the drum, through the lint trap, out of the back. They're all the same. No different than a blow dryer for your hair. As long as it can bring air in, it can heat it up, push it out. So that's what we're gonna figure out. All right, so there's back there, and look at that. You see how it's blocked off? This is a prime candidate for my Periscope, but she may be getting a new dryer, so today I'm here just to clean it out, because you see that? But it goes up. Let's go up there and look. All right, so we come up here and look for the metal, and look, and you can see I've taken it apart before because there's my fresh tape going out through the roof. But she's saying it's taken her multiple cycles, so that ain't good, guys. Let's fix it for her. All right, so if I can find my knife, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this apart, clean it that way, because I'm not getting on this roof. It's cold and it's frosty out there. Ice and roofs, nah. I'm good on that. Well, hopefully y'all can see. Cool. Yeah, don't fall through the ceiling. Well, oops. You see, broke that elbow. So I'll be fixing that. I'm replacing that for free. But I don't know if you guys can see down in there. Hold on. I'm trying to show you. I don't know if you can see. But what we need to check on is this roof damper. Holy cow. So I know the problem now. They've had a new roof put on. And when they put the roof on, guess what they didn't do? They didn't take that screen out. Man, I hope y'all can see that. So let's go up in there. See that? See what a screen does? Well, so now I get to go down there, but that explains the problem. You can't screen a dryer vent going out of a roof, guys. You can't do it. So I'll be back. I got to go talk to the customer now and tell them. I got to go back and tell them that now I've got to remove this screen. I hate it, man, but it's the problem. All right, so first thing, I'm gonna figure out what's going on up here. Oh man, dropped it. And I can't grab it. It'll have to fall. Oh well. Let me clean this out real quick and then I'll show you guys the difference. And again, I would get on the roof to pull that screen. However, I'm not getting up there when it's frosty out. Holy cow. Oh, I can still grab it. I can still grab it. Hopefully, without cutting my hands apart. Darn it. That hurts. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it, guys, or not. I'm gonna try though. Yep. See it? See that? And I knocked all of it off of there. It was completely blocked. Huh. Man, I'm glad I got that. Now let's see a difference. Now, and that'll blow off. Ha ha. I knew it. I knew it. Now look at the daylight coming through. It's like literally night and day. So let me get set up. Let's clean it out. All right, let's turn this baby on. Clean out a dryer vent. Did you hear it clean itself out, guys? Did you hear it clean itself out, guys? Did y'all just hear that? Holy cow. And guys, you heard it clean itself out, but you see the lint that came out just from me turning that machine on? Holy cow. Yeah, and they were hoping to not have to buy a new dryer. Well, guess what? They don't have to buy a new dryer, guys. This baby is pumping. And so, see, we broke this elbow, so we got to replace the elbow anyway. Holy cow. All right, boys and girls, let's put a dryer vent back together. So, well, I know I gotta take this piece off. Because again, I broke that elbow. I didn't have a choice, man. Well, I did have a choice, I guess. But I broke it either way. So, I'll take this guy off. Now I say that. When they use mastic, man. I mean, for real, dude. What's the freaking point? Just use foil tape, man. All right, I'll be back. And yeah, here I am, 10 minutes later. Still trying to separate this duct. Let's try it again. Jeez, dude. Absolutely insane, man. Absolutely insane. So, put this back up in here. And a new elbow here. Let's see. Needless to say, they don't need a new dryer. I love that. Sorry, Lowe's or Home Depot, but this one's another win for the customer. All right, got that one taped up. Ouch. Dang, that hurt. It's going to be a brand new dryer. I mean, what they have, Whirlpools are great machines, man. They're great machines. Whirlpool, Maytag, old school Kenmore. They're all great machines, man. It's up to you guys, but I've had nothing but bad luck with Samsungs. Not me. I wouldn't. They should have stuck with TVs. But, you know. And I'm putting this piece on just to lock that elbow in place. Oh yeah, good tight. Right, there we go. We have a nice connected vent without a screen. Keyword, without a screen. That's gonna wrap this one up, guys. Lesson learned. You can't screen a dryer vent, especially going out of the roof, unless you wanna climb up there every 2 months. I don't know, it's up to you. Almetal dryer vent, sorry about that. almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys, it's great. Until next time, we'll catch you.